Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. Here is your daily technical analysis of LME 3-month copper and aluminium. LME 3-month copper. Another higher, but still indecisive pattern yesterday to match the one on Friday. It was another indecisive spinning top. I suppose the indecision comes from how the market's treating the lesser Fibonacci 61.8% Fibonacci line of the whole of the 2022 move at 93.59. Overhead we have congestion at 96.06 that capped last week's actions. And then actually quite a wasteland, lacking resistances until we reached the 99.07 to 99.95 area. Meanwhile below we have little support until the lesser 38.2% Fibonacci line of the October 2020 to March 2022 move at 90.97. This lesser Fibonacci line held up the market 2 weeks ago. However, the key support below is the upper bull channel line, currently at 88.55, and highlighted in dark blue on my daily chart, and that's of the July 2022 to January this year bull channel. This had been an excellent bull channel, and it certainly deserves some potential targets for this pattern. Thus, a primary target X would be in the 95.63 area, and was almost reached last week. And a secondary harder to reach target X1 is in the 99.83 area. So far today, well, we are either side of the lesser 61.8% Fibonacci line at 93.59, though more to the downside than the upside I suspect. Perhaps we're seeing the next piece of evidence that the market may be cresting other than the mainly daily indecision we've seen in the last week, middle of last week until now. I'll have to see on this one. LME 3-month aluminium. A bullish opening white Mariboso yesterday with the highest close since June last year. However, the market continues to get itself all caught up in the congestion levels that stretch from 25.63 up to 26.75, specifically at 25.63, 25.81, 26.08, 26.22, 26.50, 26.66 and 26.75. We have some more resistance at 27.18 and 27.53, but they look separate from those earlier ones. An important piece of information I suppose now, one I'm at a point even, one I made yesterday as well. Over the last week and a bit of action, we've seen prices set up for a potential monthly key reversal. Thus we have a close on Tuesday, the 31st, which is next week, either over 24.92 or under 23.88, then we'd be on. Right now, we are so very much looking at a potential monthly key reversal up. Now, so far today, a slightly lower open, but a swift move up and down, halting just before the congestion of the August 2011 high at 26.66, before coming back down, basing itself actually on congestion at 26.22. And looking like an possibly indecisive doji cross, possibly a gravestone doji, definitely with a tendency to be a bear spike. Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted both at the front and the back of this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final important bit.